Since I've been very young, I've always been interested in computers. From there, it went on into programming, and specifically artificial intelligence. There's two types of AI. There's strong AI and then there's weak AI. Right now, the types of algorithms that I deal with and that others deal with is known as a weak AI. They're really clever algorithms that give this impression of an intelligent being. Probably won't see any Terminators in the near future. And as far as professors, they go beyond the classrooms. They're there for you. There have been many times when I've been working with some professors at 2 o'clock in the morning, finalizing a paper for a conference. Subjects you learn, the material that you learn inside of the classroom extends beyond the homework. It extends beyond the four walls of the building. It's something that once you learn the principles and the idea of it, it's something that you can apply to everyday use, and it's something that you can carry on with you for a lifetime. As an undergraduate, I've had amazing opportunities. I've presented my research in Atlanta, and I've even won an international competition in Norway.
Engaging with communities, creating new connections, shaping tomorrow's world. The University of Southern Maine, connecting you with tomorrow.